Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So all the girls and boys, pay attention. Today we are going to hear a beautiful pastime of Jahnavi Mata. Jahnavi Mata जी के बारे में सुना है? किसी ने सुना है क्या? Have you heard about Jahnavi Mata? She is the eternal consort of Nityananda Prabhu. Balarama, when he appeared in Chaitanya Leela as Nityananda, Jahnavi Mata, who was the incarnation of Revati, she appeared as Jahnavi Mata, the eternal consort of Nityananda. I am going to ask questions in between, so please be alert. और जो क्वेश्चन का आंसर करेगा, that child will get a gift. Okay? So pay attention. So we are hearing about Jahnavi Mata, right? She is the eternal consort of Nityananda Prabhu. Okay, Nityananda Prabhu is incarnation of Balarama. And Jahnavi Mata in Krishna Leela, she was Revati. Who was she? Revati. Okay. And in Krishna's pastime, this Lord Balarama, he had two consorts, that is Revati and Varuni. And they appeared in Chaitanya Leela as Vasudha and Jahnavi. Vasudha and Jahnavi Mata. Okay. So they appeared to exalted devotee Suryadas. They appeared in the house of Suryadas. And now they are of marriageable age. उनकी शादी करने की उम्र हो गई थी. So their father Suryadas, he got a dream that Balaram appeared in their dream, in his dream. और बलराम के बाजू में उनकी दोनों बेटियां खड़ी है. ऐसे कितना सुंदर सपना आ गया उनको. और ये सपना देख के उनको वो आश्चर्यचकित हो गए. And he got a promise dream. And next day when Brahmana, he came to him and he said, he suggested that you should get married your daughter to Nityananda, who is none other than Balarama, incarnation of Balarama. So this Suryadas, he agreed to this proposal and he got his daughters, two daughters. Who were they? Vasudha and Jahnavi. He got them married to Nityananda Prabhu. Okay. And after they got married, they went to the village of Shantipura. Who stays in Shantipur? Shantipur में कौन रहता है? Because of this call, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared. कौन रहता है Shantipur में? Advaitacharya. And वो वहाँ पे गए Advaita and Sita Mata, who is wife of Advaitacharya. Sita Mata, she showered blessings upon both of them. Vasudha and Jahnavi. She showered so much of love and blessings upon these people. Not only that, they visited Sachi Mata. Sachi Mata was also so very happy to see them. And they also, everyone showered lots of blessings and lots of love on these newly married couple. So, after that, it so happened like, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he completed his pastime and he went to the spiritual world. And that time, this Jahnavi Mata, she took upon her shoulder the preaching of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And she visited different locations. So, when she started visiting to different locations, in order to spread the moment of Sankirtan, she went to the place of Narottama Das, Keturi Gaon. Keturi Gaon में जाके, there, first time they were celebrating, after the disappearance of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, first time they were celebrating appearance of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, which is called as Gaur Purnima festival. हम लोग celebrate करते हैं ना, Gaur Purnima festival. So that was first time it was celebrated in Keturi Gaon by Narottama Das Thakur. तो उस टाइम में they installed deities and they installed 6 deities और deities के लिए बहुत अच्छा सा भोग बनाया. किसने? Jahnavi Mata ने. She prepared wonderful bhogas and it was like festival. It was not that एक दिन में हमने festival खत्म कर दिया. नहीं. It went on for few days. And every day Jahnavi Mata, she got up early in the morning and she cooked delicious food and she herself served it to the Lord and she sumptuously to all the Vaishnavas who came for their festivals. And ऐसे नहीं है कि एक बार हो गया, एक बार सर्व कर दिया, नहीं, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and she was the one to start the serving, and she was the one to take the prasadam after everyone honored the prasadam. She was the last one to take the prasadam. So that was her quality. तो इसके बाद this is one of the fasting. Next, let us enter into the next fasting. Jahannava Mata, she decided to go to Vrindavan. She used to stay in West Bengal. वहाँ से she decided that she want to go to Vrindavan. So because of her teaching, because of her potency, she attracted many devotees. She got many. Saurabh, Shubhrat, where was that? जहन्नवा माता कहाँ जा रही है अभी? Yes, clap for that boy. All of you, please. So now जहन्नवा माता, she is going to Vrindavan. जब ये वृंदावन जाने के टाइम क्या हुआ कि because she was so effulgent and she was so powerful in her preaching, कि she attracted many devotees. And many people started following her, started following her teachings. So ये देखे the local people, वहाँ पे there were some local people, they were the worshippers of Mother Kali. So they became little jealous. What is this? She's an ordinary lady, and these people are blindly following this lady. This is not done. So we must do something about this. So they offered a special prayer to Mother Kali. And they said that somehow, some or the other, we should kill this Jahannava. So she is becoming so very famous and she is generating so many devotees. We should do something, and Mother Kali, you please help us to kill this lady. Like that, they prayed to Mother Kali. So on that same day, Mother Kali, she appeared in the dream of all those people who prayed for the killing of Mother Jahannava. And she threatened them. I am the eternal servant of Mother Jahannava. Because she is the consort of the Supreme Lord, I am the servant of Mother Jahannava. How dare you say like this? And she kept a sword on their neck. And they became, shivering in the dream itself. They started shivering. And they said, no, please forgive us. The next day, they went to Mother Jahannava. They asked for the forgiveness. And they themselves also started following Mother Jahannava. So this is one pastime, okay? फिर आगे क्या हुआ? Because she had so many followers, बहुत लोग उसके पास उसके साथ चलने लगे, and उसके साथ जो चलने लगे उसमें से कुछ लोग they were very rich people, उनके पास बहुत सारे गिफ्ट्स भी थे. If you have some gifts, if you have some gold and everything, and you're walking through the forest, who will get attracted? The gods, है ना? तो अभी इनका तो हो गया काम. अभी the gods जो है they got attracted. इतने सारे झूठ हैं, इतने सारे लोग हैं, इसमें से कुछ लोगों के पास कीमती ज़ेवरात है. Let us plan to loot them. Day, night when they will sleep, we will make a plan and we will loot the people who are having beautiful ornaments. ऐसे प्लानिंग हो गया किसके माइंड में? The gods के माइंड में. फिर उन लोगों ने क्या किया? So all this was, now it is going to be night. They all slept under the tree. जहन्नवा माता जी के साथ में जो भी थे डिवोटीज, वो सारे पेड़ के नीचे सो गए. और ये जो डेकॉइट्स थे वो दूर से देख रहे थे. They were observing everything कि ये क्या कर रहे हैं, ये कब सोएंगे, ताकि अगर ये जैसे ही सो जाएंगे हम इनको सब लोग लूट कर सकते हैं ना. तो ये सारे जो डिवोटीज है वो सो गए और ये डेकॉइट्स जो है धीरे धीरे जहन्नवा माता को के उधर आने लगे. जहन्नवा माता को उन्होंने देखा एंड शी स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग. जहन्नवा माता जी को उन्होंने देखा, अंधेरा आया और जहन्नवा माता जी इज वॉकिंग फॉरवर्ड, आगे चल रही है. तो इन्होंने क्या किया? इन्होंने उनके पीछा करने लगे. दे स्टार्टेड चेजिंग हर इन ऑर्डर टू लूट द थिंग्स व्हाट शी इज हैविंग, बिकॉज दे ऑल आर फॉलोइंग हर. ऑब्वियसली उसके पास बहुत सारा धन रहेगा, इसके लिए ये सब लोग उसका पीछा करने लगे जहन्नवा माता का. जहन्नवा माता धीरे से चल रही है. These people are running, you know, they are running and running and running, but still they are not able to catch her. She is walking peacefully, but these people are running and they are not able to catch her. ऐसे ही कर के चढ़ रहे, भाग रहे, भाग रहे, भाग रहे, भाग रहे. रात को स्टार्ट किया था भागा भागी, सुबह हो गई, अब तक जानवर माता को पकड़ ही नहीं पाए. सुबह हो गई, अरे सनराइज हो गया, हम तो वहीं पे हैं जहाँ से स्टार्ट किया था, लेकिन हम इतना सारा माइल भाग के आ गए, इतना थक गए. जानवी माता was peaceful, she was not at all tired. So these people, they could understand she is not any ordinary lady. She must be an incarnation of Shakti potency of the Lord. So वो तुरंत उसके फीट पे गिर गए. They started for asking for the forgiveness. And वो डाकू थे. It is very difficult to convince the डाकूs and make them into devotees. डाकू को कोई डिवोटी बना सकता है क्या? It's so very difficult, है ना? उनके पास आप कुछ भी बोलो, चक्कू चूरी सब रेडी रहता है. आप उनके अगेंस्ट में कुछ जाते हो शुभ्रत, तो तुरंत वो चाकू निकाल देते हैं ना. बट वो डाकू लोग भी भक्त बन गए. एंड देन यू नो व्हाट दे स्टार्टेड डूइंग, दे स्टार्टेड प्रीचिंग अदर डेकॉइट्स कि तुम भी भक्त बनो. तो इस तरह से these डाकूस also they got the mercy of Jannava Mata, and the dacoits also they became the devotees of the Lord. So this is the power of Jannava Mata. इसके अलावा फर्दर when she was walking into वृंदावन, उसने देखा कि वृंदावन वासियों के घर पे एक जगह पे वहाँ पे बहुत रोना विलाप हो रहा था. They were crying into tears. And they could understand, you know, Jannava Mata, when she appeared there, she saw that they are into tears, and she found out the reason. What is the reason behind their cry? She saw that you know the child is no more. The child has left the body. So she became very nervous. She became very, you know, when a Vaishnava sees others in anxiety, when they see others in, you know, others are not in a good mood, they themselves take up their mood. So what she did, she wanted to go and touch that baby, bring that baby back into life. So this mother and father of the child, they said, please don't touch that body. You are a pure Vaishnava, you are a pure Vaishnavi, you are an exalted devotee. It's a dead body. If you touch, you will become contaminated. Please don't touch. You know what she said, Jannava Mata? She said, your child is a Brajavasi. He has got taken birth in Braja. That itself is a qualification for me to touch. If I touch his body, I will become pure. She said so, and she touched the body, the dead body of that child. Immediately child woke up. So that is the power of Jannava Mata. And they all started, you know, praising Jannava Mata. Because of you, my child is back. Because of you, my child has got the life. So she said, no, it is all because of Krishna. All glories to Krishna, not to me. Like this she said, and she further went. And every day in Vrindavan, she used to prepare sumptuous food. She used to serve it to the Lord. One day she will offer it to Radha Madan Mohan, another day Radha Raman, another day Radha Govinda, like another day Radha Gopinath. Like that she will offer sumptuous prasadam. She will cook for herself and she will offer it to the deity, and she will feed all the Brijvasis. And then once it so happened, Radha Gopinath, when she had gone to take the darshan of Radha Gopinath, she saw the deity of Radha Rani was too small as compared to the height of Krishna. Like say for example, Krishna's height is this much and Radha Rani is this much height. So she thought, you know, the Radha Rani's deity is too small in compared to Krishna's deity. But then she didn't say anything because they appeared as such, no? They appeared like that only. So she did not say anything. She quietly went back home. And on that same day, when she was taking rest, in a dream, Gopinath appeared. Gopinath said, what you have observed is correct. Now I want to give you one seva. When you go back to Bengal, when you go back to Mayapur, that time you please prepare a deity of Srimati Radha Rani which is in parallel to my size, which is in proportionate to my size, and come and install that deity along with this deity. So this way she got the seva of Radha Gopinath, to bring a deity of Radha and she meditated continuously. How am I supposed to prepare? How am I supposed to prepare the deity of Srimati Radharani? And she bought the deity of Srimati Radharani from Bengal as per the instruction of Gopinath, and she herself installed the deity besides Gopinath. Okay, so these are the few wonderful pastimes of Jahannava Mata. So Shri Jahannava Mata ki Jai, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Now I will ask few questions. Okay, you all are ready? Narottama Das Thakur belongs to which village? मैंने बताया स्टोरी में. Narottama Das Thakur belongs to which village? Hint दूँ क्या? It is the place where the first Gaur Purnima festival was celebrated. Starts with letter K. Starts with letter K. केतुरी गांव, केतुरी विलेज. इसके लिए मैं बोलती हूँ, खुलो योर ईयर्स, दोनों कान खींच लो अच्छे से, स्ट्रेट बैठो, सिट प्रॉपर्ली. हाँ, अभी ध्यान से सुनो, वापस एक क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ. What was the name of Vasudha and Jahannava Mata's father's name? Jahannava Mata and Vasudha's father's name. सबसे पहले मैं स्टोरी इसी से स्टार्ट किया. क्या कर रहे थे आप लोग? सो रहे थे क्या? Okay, one more question. Okay. This is little bit philosophical. Jahannava Mata agreed to touch the body of that dead child, and she said a sentence. What is that sentence? You should raise your hand, no? है ना? She is correct. This child is Brajvasi. By touching this child, I will not be contaminated, but I will be purified. Okay. So this is the last question. I hope you all understood the past tense. Did you all understand the past tense? Did you all understand? समझा कुछ तो इधर गया? Okay. Thank you very much, children, for listening to the story attentively. Now we have Vasudha Mataji. Now we have Vasudha Nitai Mataji. Vasudha Nitai Mataji. She is going to narrate one more pastime for all of us. She is a principal in a school. तो अभी अगर आपने आंसर नहीं किया तो कॉलेज के एडमिशन तो कैंसिल ही समझो. Okay? She is a principal in school, and you know what? In her school, she has made it compulsory in the morning prayer to recite the Bhagavatam verses. In her school, all the children, they start their day by reciting Bhagavatam verses. Okay? And she makes her children participate in different events which is conducted. I see actually the school is very far. It's beyond Malad. So all the way she brings them and she makes them participate, sometimes in exhibition, sometimes in event like this, Prahlada Varada, sometimes in trip to ISKCON Meera Road, like that. So we welcome her by chanting Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
हरे कृष्णा. एक बार माता जी के लिए हरे कृष्णा महामंत्र बोलते हैं.
हरे कृष्णा, कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे, हरे राम, राम राम हरे.
माता जी ने आप लोगों को बहुत प्यारी सी स्टोरी सुनाई. अभी मेरी भी स्टोरी थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनना. बहुत ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस नहीं है, लेकिन भगवान के चमत्कार इतने अच्छे हैं कि आपको लगेगा कि हमारे जीवन में भी ऐसा चमत्कार हो सकता है. क्योंकि वहाँ मायापुर में नरसिंह भगवान नित्य कोई ना कोई लीला करते रहते हैं. तो आज मैं आप लोग को दो छोटी छोटी स्टोरी सुनाऊंगी, ज़रा ध्यान से सुनना. वहाँ के जो सीनियर पुजारी हैं, एक दिन वो सपने में उनको आता है कि उनके जो मायापुर के जो निर्देशक हैं, जो पूरे मंदिर को संचालित करते हैं, चलाते हैं, उन्होंने बोला, सपने में बोला कि तुम डीजल का तेल लेके आओ। तो पुजारी जी घबरा गए, डीजल का तेल क्या होगा? तो फिर वो बोले कि अच्छा क्यों ले आना है? क्या नरसिंह भगवान की बलि देनी है? तो वो घबरा गए, अरे नरसिंह भगवान की बलि क्यों देनी है? वो भगवान है, उनकी बलि कैसे दे सकते हैं? क्या मैंने जैसा बोला है ना वैसा करो। तो बोलते हैं कि अच्छा ठीक है, मैं दे तो दूंगा लेकिन मुझे इससे कुछ लेना देना नहीं रहेगा। फिर वो बेचारे जाके डीजल, सपने में सब कुछ हो रहा है पुजारी जी के, फिर वो जाके डीजल का तेल दे देते हैं उनको, निर्देशक को। और फिर वो देखते हैं क्या कि थोड़ी देर बाद जब वापस आते हैं तो देखते हैं कि नरसिंह भगवान के सब कुछ जो विग्रह है वो पूरा जल चुका है, सिर्फ क्या बचा है, पैर और उनके जो तलवे हैं ना वो बचे हुए हैं। तो वो एकदम घबरा गए, फिर वो सोचने लगे कि ये क्या हो रहा है। फिर सोचते सोचते उनकी नींद खुल गई होगी, तो बहुत बेचैन थे कि इस सपने का क्या अर्थ हो सकता है, मैंने ऐसा सपना क्यों देखा। फिर वो जाते हैं सुबह सुबह, एक सीनियर जो पुजारी वहाँ मायापुर के रहते हैं उनसे पूछते हैं कि मैंने ऐसा ऐसा स्वप्न देखा, क्यों ऐसा देखा मैंने? तो पुजारी जी हंसने लगे, बोले कि एक्चुअली क्या है कि अभी शालिग्राम का जो है कि हम लोग को जलाभिषेक करना था, कल ही करना था, लेकिन हम क्या हुआ, भूल गए उसको। हमसे बहुत बड़ा अपराध हो गया कि हम भूल गए। और नरसिंह भगवान क्या ताप से जल रहे हैं, उनको क्या चाहिए, जलदान चाहिए। तो फिर उसके बाद जो है कि उनको लगा, तो फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने क्या किया, पुजारी ने मिलके और सबने मिलके क्या किया, नरसिंह देव भगवान का जलदान किया। तब जाके उनको लगा कि मतलब अभी हमारे सपने का जो भी इंडिकेशन था, सपने में क्या, कभी कभी हम सपना देखते हैं तो हमें लगता है ऐसे ही है, लेकिन कभी कभी सपनों का क्या होता है, कुछ इंडिकेशन रहता है, किसी के थ्रू हम उसको जान पाते हैं। तो क्या होता है कि वो सारे लोग क्या करते हैं, जलदान करते हैं। तो बोलो नरसिंह भगवान की जय। और फिर दूसरी एक लीला भगवान करते हैं कि एक बार क्या होता है कि सब लोग जैसे नित्य नरसिंह भगवान की मायापुर में पूजा होती है, तो हर रोज़ जैसे नित्य पूजा हो रही थी तो भगवान को एक माला पूरा हार चढ़ा रहता है, उसमें से एक फूल जो है कि नरसिंह भगवान के वो हार में से गिर जाता है। तो पुजारी जी बोलते हैं कि सब लोग ऐसे बैठे जैसे आप लोग बैठे हो, तो पुजारी जी बोलते हैं कि कोई इसमें से ऐसा है क्या जो बहुत दुख से जो है कि बहुत दिल से जो है भगवान से निवेदन कर रहा है, कुछ मांग रहा है क्या? तो आगे से तो कहीं से आवाज़ नहीं आती, पीछे से एक लेडी आती है, बोलती हाँ प्रभु जी, मैं ही जो है कि भगवान से बहुत निवेदन कर रही हूँ। तो कहे भगवान नरसिंह ने आपकी इच्छा पूरी कर दी। तो कैसे? तो बोले कि इनके हार से एक फूल गिरा है। तो फिर उन्होंने बताया क्या आपको प्रॉब्लम क्या है? तो बताया कि मेरा जो है कि मेरी एक बेटी है जिसको 4-5 साल से बच्चे नहीं हो रहे थे, लेकिन तो उसी के लिए मैं प्रार्थना कर रही थी। तो उन्होंने बोला, पुजारी जी ने बोला कि आपकी प्रार्थना नरसिंह भगवान ने सुन ली है, ये आप फूल लेके जाइए और उसके पानी को, फूल को डाल के उसके पानी को अपनी बेटी को पिला दीजिए। फिर वो वही लेडी जो है 1 साल बाद आती है अपने बच्चे और दामाद के साथ में, जो कि एक बच्चे और जो बेटी को जो है एक बच्चा हो जाता है, सबकी पूरी फैमिली के साथ आती है और नरसिंह भगवान की पूजा करती है। बोलो नरसिंह भगवान की जय।